Start. A. According, acknowledge, advantage, advertisement, all, altogether, an, and, any, anything, are, as is. Balance, balanced, be, because, become, becoming, been, behalf, belief, believed, beyond, building, but, call, called, can, cannot, care, cared, certificate, certificate, chair, chaired, character, cheer, cheered, child, circumstances, cold, come, commercial, commercially, could, danger, dear, deliver, delivered, description, different, difference, difficult, difficulty, distinguish, distinguished, do, doctor, dear, during, English. Equal, equaled, especially, everything, exchanged, expect, I, familiar, February, financial, first, for, from, general, gentleman, gentleman, given, go, gold, governed, government, great, guard, head, hand, has, have, he, him, himself, his, how, are, how, however, I, immediate, importance, importance, impossible, improvement, in, income, inconvenience, individual, influence, influenced, inform, informed, information, inscribed, inscription, inspect, inspection, instruction, instructive, insurance, interest, investigation, is as, it, itself, January, knowledge, language, large, largely, larger, largest, liberty, lord, me, member, mayor, more, mortgaged, most, Mr., much, myself, near, neglected, never, nevertheless, New York, next, nor, northern, nothing, November, numbered, object, objection, of, on, opinion, opportunity, organization, organized, ought, our, ourselves, over, owe, owing, own, honor, particular, people, pleasure, practice, principle, principle, probably, probability, prospect, public, publication, published, put, quite, rather, regular, remarkable, remarked, remember, represent, representative, respect, respectfully, responsible, responsibility, satisfaction, satisfactory, school, schooled, sent, several, shall, short, should, significance, significant, signify, something, southern, speak, especially, spirit, subject, sufficient, sure, surprise, surprised, telegram, tell, thank, thanked, that, the, their, them, themselves, their, therefore, think, third, this, those, though, thus, till, to be, together, told, to, toward, trade, tried, truth, to, under, United States, university, usual, usually, very, was, we, welcome, what, whatever, when, whenever, whether, which, who, whose, why, wish, wished, with, within, without, wonderful, wonderfully, word, would, writer, yard, year, you, young, your, yesterday.